Okay, so now the next step is to show you just a little tiny bit of what you need to be able to see in your virtual office. So go ahead and go to youngliving.com and you'll see a screen that looks something like this. You're going to go up to click into sign in and you're going to go click. Then you're going to put your information in here. You're going to put your username or member number here and your password here. Now, if you don't remember your username or password, go ahead and call Young Living by going to Young Living's site and going to their contact area to get their phone number, and they will help you get your information so you can log in. Now, first thing you should do is go over to this tab where it says Getting Started. There are tons of videos that will help you be able to know exactly what to do, all sorts of informational things that you'll want to watch, and go ahead and do all of them. Now you can work through them all over this course of one sitting, or you can go ahead and come back and work on a few at a time. But make sure that you go ahead and look at them all. The next awesome resource you have available to you is here at the Member Resources tab. Click it and take the time to look through all of the amazing resources. Here are just some of the quick links of all of the really good things that you can go ahead and look at. Plus, you can go by category and see additional information. There's product education, compensation plan, training about the virtual office, a business center, information about the Elite Express program, more training through YL University, shareable pictures and graphics, international information for those of you in international markets, and policies and procedures. If you click back to your dashboard, you can either click here or here to look at rank qualification. And this tab is where you're going to be able to keep progress to see how you get to rank up. So as you see, as each qualification gets met, the box turns green. So you can see here, we're on the 4th day of the month and my business has been growing, and I have already placed a 100 PV order for the month, so all of that has been satisfied. As long as I place it, it's green across the board, so I'm qualified all the way up to Royal Crown Diamond for that qualification. Then you can see that the qualifications for Star are only 500 OGV, so I've already met that. I've met 2,000 OGV and I've met 4,000 OGV, so I have 2 out of 3 of the things meant for executive. Now this is grayed out because I'm waiting for the second leg to qualify. So once that leg qualifies, this leg will turn green and the check mark will move over to executive. Now as you start moving up, you'll notice you'll be able to track your progress through each of the ranks by watching for each of the benchmarks that are necessary for each rank. So come back and check the rank qualification tab often. That's just a little bit of what's available in your virtual office, but those are the most important things for you to check out before you get started with your Young Living business.